Hey, Hamza. You want to see Olaf?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go see Olaf. Oh, look at this guy.
Whoa.
Hi everyone, I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
Look at this. Look at this castle. What's going on, man?
This is the best day of my life.
Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
And you are...
Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. I'm here with my lovely family.
Hello.
Here is Mabel and Hamza.
Hamza, say hi. Hi.
Hi. And we are here at the Geneva Ice Castles in Wisconsin. So this here is our very first time. Make sure you guys walk carefully, please.
Yes.
Very, very slippery. Alright, check it out guys. So this here is the ice castles. It's overall pretty cool. They even have a water fountain right over here. That thing is crazy. And they have these LEDs built into it. They got igloos, they got crawl tunnels, they got slides, they got everything over here. It's actually really cool. Overall, I'm quite impressed. I thought it was going to be a lot smaller than this, but this thing's actually pretty big. I literally feel like I'm in an ice castle. So, was that fun?
Yes.
Yeah.
So much fun.
All right. All right, well, there you guys have it. That was a highlight of the ice castles at Lake Geneva. Now, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.
See you next time.